we are at Pit and Pub. I'll put a link for the Facebook page below. This is put on by Twisted Rods of Maryland. Check them out. Like I say, there will be a link below. And this is going to be a hell of a blowout of a show. You'll see. We're going to pack her in. Right now we got Mike. The old truck is here. Jeff's here. And this over here is the members' cars. Oh, that one right there, yep. And this one right here is cool. This one right here, that's a sweet car. He won yesterday as well. Nice, nice and clean. Nova, you know I love them damn Novas. And a 69 SS Camaro. All right, we're just getting started. So stick around, this is gonna be a good show. Alright, this thing is badass. You guys have seen this before. I put it on the video last time. But this thing is just badass. I'm a little partial to trucks, wheelies, and badass. Would you look at that? It's a 64 Volkswagen. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, right? Once again, I kind of like badass. Nice. Oh, sweet square body. Nice and clean. I like it. Of course, it is badass. Look at this. It's just old school cool. Look at that. Meat. Good Lord. Come now. Coming in now. so I didn't get to catch most of these coming in. So we'll have a quick look. You all saw that one before. We got a 55 on the end, and then we're gonna head over to a 55 gasser that just rolled in up there. Check out this one. That's nice. Nice and clean. Here's the cool thing, right? So the cars are all the way down over there so far. 1, 2, many rows. The show doesn't start for another hour and a half. So let's go to this other side. Oh, we got some 55 gasser here. Check her out. Nice, nice. So I want to do my gasser. Flat black like that. Speckled blue on top, a little darker. But nice, very nice. Wow. Nice C10. Old Lark. That Chevelle. Swanger. Comes Eddie. Damn, that son of a bitch sounds good. Hell yeah. Diamonds. Yeah, buddy. Oh, hell yeah. Yes, you do, bud. That motherfucker's a beast now. This shit's a beast. Working hard, parking cars over here. Dreamsicle 57 wagon. Cutlass. Cutlass. Got some AMC AMX right there, boys. Look at that. There you go, Josh and Ange. Dwayne. Know you like those bad boys, right? Holy shit, look at that. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Man.
Bobby Bob! I got some.
These are the PA Hillbillies. This is a cool old car. Check out their Facebook page, PA Hillbillies. All right, look at this pretty ass motor. Powder coated that in red. The tubular A-arms, just clean. Nice job. Jimmy's car, one of many beautiful fucking rides, one of many beautiful cars he owns, man. Look at that, look at that. Nice Jimmy, nice buddy. There you go, Frankie. Beautiful car, brother. All right, this is a beautiful little deuce, man.
I'm fucking Virginia Slim.
Right there, Steve Reese. I'll put a link to the bottom of his page, Edge of Speed. That guy is a hard-working photographer. I'm telling you, he does some nice work. So right there, Steve. All right, brother. Thank you so much for all your hard work. Giving out awards. Awesome. This was a great show. That's pretty cool.
Gabby.
Alright, car number 44. Andrew, 1970 Dodge Dart.
That's so cool. All right, all the trophies are given out. Awesome job, Twisted Rides. And we will see you guys in the fall and on Facebook. And we eat again.